Living on a tight budget can be a challenging experience, but it is not an impossible feat. With careful planning and budgeting, it is possible to live on a budget of $500 per month. This might seem like a daunting task, but it can be done with a little bit of discipline and creativity. In this video, we'll give you 5 tips on how to live on a budget of $500 per month. Make sure you watch the video till the end, because tips 4 and 5 are the most important tips. Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. Let's start. Number 1. Create a budget. Living on a tight budget requires careful planning and budgeting. Creating a budget is the foundation for living on a specific amount of money every month. A budget allows you to get a full picture of your entire cash flow, which helps you to know every single detail of your spending and income. To create a budget, start by identifying your sources of income. This could include your salary, freelance work, or other sources of income. Once you have a clear picture of your income, you need to identify your monthly expenses. This could include rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other bills. Once you have identified your income and expenses, you need to compare the two to see if you are living within your means. If your expenses are greater than your income, you need to find areas where you can cut back. A budget shows you where you can potentially cut money. For example, you could reduce your monthly grocery bill by buying generic brands, meal planning, and cooking at home. You could also reduce your transportation costs by taking public transportation, biking, or walking instead of driving a car. Creating a budget requires discipline and consistency. It's important to track your expenses on a regular basis to make sure that you are staying within your budget. There are several tools available that can help you create and track your budget, such as budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can live on $500 a month with careful planning and budgeting. Number 2. Make a grocery list. One of the biggest expenses for most people is their grocery bill. However, with a bit of planning and effort, it's possible to cut down on these costs significantly. One way to do this is to create a grocery list before heading to the store. Shopping with a grocery list is a great way to save money. It helps to keep you on track and focused, and can reduce your food expenses by half or more. When you don't have a list, it's easy to get distracted by sales, deals, and other items you don't really need. Forgetting to buy something at the grocery store can also be a costly mistake. Having to go back several times a week can drastically increase the amount you spend on groceries. Writing down items as soon as you notice you need to restock can prevent you from forgetting important items and making unnecessary trips to the store. When making a grocery list, be sure to include all of the items you need for your meals and snacks for the week. Don't forget to also include any household items you may need, such as cleaning supplies or toiletries. Checking your pantry and fridge before you head to the store can also help you avoid buying items you already have. Another tip to save money at the grocery store is to stick to the perimeter of the store. This is where you'll find fresh produce, meat, and dairy products. The middle aisles are usually filled with processed foods and snacks that can be more expensive and less healthy. By making a grocery list and sticking to it, you can reduce your food expenses and avoid unnecessary trips to the store. Number 3. Use sales and coupons to your advantage. Living on a tight budget requires finding ways to save money on essential items. One way to do this is by taking advantage of sales and coupons. Here are a few tips to help you save money on your purchases. Keep track of prices. One mistake that many people make when shopping for groceries is assuming that the sale price is always the best price. However, this isn't always the case. Keeping track of the prices of the items you buy regularly can help you determine whether a sale price is really a good deal or not. Make a list of the items you buy and their regular prices. This will help you to quickly identify a good deal when you see one. Use coupons. Coupons are a great way to save money on your purchases. Look for coupons in your local newspaper, online, or on store websites. Many stores also offer digital coupons that you can load onto your loyalty card. Be sure to check the expiration dates on the coupons and use them before they expire. Take advantage of store loyalty programs. Many stores offer loyalty programs that can help you save money. These programs often give you access to exclusive sales and coupons. Some stores also offer points or cash back for your purchases that you can use towards future purchases. Stock up on items during sales. When you find a good sale on an item you use frequently, stock up on it. This will help you avoid having to buy the item at full price later on. Just be sure not to overbuy, as this can lead to waste and unnecessary spending. Number 4. Cut down on eating out. Eating out can quickly become a major expense. Cutting down on eating out is an easy way to reduce food expenses and save money. Instead of going out to eat, consider making meals at home. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also healthier and can be a fun activity to do with friends and family. Making meals at home can save up to 400% compared to eating out. For example, a homemade pizza can cost as little as $5 to make, while a delivery pizza can cost upwards of $20. Additionally, making meals at home allows for more control over the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier choices and less food waste. To make meal prep easier, consider setting aside time each week to plan out meals and grocery shop for the necessary ingredients. This will help you stay on track with your budget and prevent the temptation to eat out due to lack of planning. If you do decide to eat out, consider looking for deals and discounts online or through loyalty programs. Many restaurants offer discounts or freebies to loyal customers, and some even have happy hour or daily specials. However, be careful not to let eating out become a regular habit, as it can quickly add up and derail your budget goals. Number 5. Limit your entertainment spending. To successfully live on a tight budget of $500 a month, it's important to limit entertainment spending. Entertainment expenses can quickly add up and become a significant portion of your monthly expenses. Here are some tips to help you limit your entertainment spending. Find alternate forms of entertainment. Instead of going out to expensive restaurants, movies, or concerts, try to find other ways to entertain yourself. You can host game nights with friends, take advantage of free community events, or explore the outdoors. There are plenty of low-cost or free options available. Be mindful of how much certain activities cost. When planning your entertainment, be sure to consider the cost of each activity. Some activities may seem cheap at first glance, but when you add up the cost of tickets, transportation, and other expenses, they can become quite expensive. Before committing to an activity, make sure you understand the full cost. In conclusion, living on a tight budget of $500 a month is definitely doable with careful planning and budgeting. By creating a budget, making a grocery list, taking advantage of sales and coupons, cutting down on eating out, and limiting entertainment spending, it is possible to save a significant amount of money each month. It is important to prioritize your expenses and only spend money on necessities. While it may require some sacrifices and adjustments to your lifestyle, it is possible to live within your means and still enjoy life. Remember, the key is to be disciplined with your spending and to always look for ways to save money. It may take some time to get used to living on a tighter budget, but the rewards are well worth it. With some effort and determination, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. So, start taking control of your finances today and enjoy the benefits of living a frugal lifestyle. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the Finance Bowl for more money and investing tips. Until next time.